Into this video, I'm going to be sharing with all of you exactly how I turned $1,900 into $15,200 in just one day. I'm going to be sharing with you all the trades that allowed me to grow my money like that. I'm going to share with you all the entries, the exits, and of course, most importantly, I'm going to share with you all why I took the trades to begin with. So let's dive into the charts right off the bat. The very first trade that I took was on AMD. All right. And now the reason why I took a trade on AMD was because of this. There was a structure on there. If you watch the last trade recap that I put out, I believe it was last Sunday, I shared with y'all this bearish, well, this bear flag right there that broke down, that allowed me to make money from here all the way down to here. Okay. But the one thing about that bear flag is that it didn't even break above 164. It stayed above a very critical level where short sellers were comfortable holding short and maybe even adding after rejections right here and again right here pre-market. All right, so I saw that and I decided to buy puts. I decided to buy puts on Robinhood. If you look in a Robinhood account, about 60 contracts of the $155 puts that expired last week Friday in a very last minute on the 4th Thursday. All right, for a total of $900, and I ended up selling all of my contracts all at once during the first minute of market hours on Friday, as soon as it broke below 154. All right, so let's go on the 1 minute. That way y'all can see more candles on here. And we're gonna scroll back. So this is what happened. First, we have the initial dump pre-market on AMD, followed by the all-day grinder. This is just a nasty chop where all of the contracts kind of get very, very, very small. All right, and this is what I put out in the Discord, the rationale. This was 10 minutes before the market closed. The descending triangle on the chart, because I was not only looking at the 1 hour chart, but I was also looking at the bigger picture on the 4 hour charts. Okay. And let's go back to ThinkorSwim. Yeah, so my entry was this. This is Thursday. I ended up getting in after the rejection of 162 for the sole purpose of getting out in the morning after the break below 155, making the total profit on the very first trade exactly $6,000. Now, the next trade that I took, and again, this one was also between Thursday and Friday, and that was on Tesla. All right, and Tesla had a few opportunities last week that I really liked. The first one happened between, I think the first one happened between Tuesday and Wednesday. All right, and then the next one happened between Thursday and Friday. And the reason why I decided to take a trade on it, because if you look at the 15 minute, which I have right now, there is a bullish pendant on the chart. All right, I saw that, I liked it, and I decided to buy calls on there. So I was bearish on AMD and I was bullish on Tesla. All right, so I bought 10 calls of the $345 strike, the calls that expire on the 5th in the last minute of market hours. Again, for those of y'all who've been in the Discord and you watch these videos, you know my style. I like to buy in the very last minute, all right before the market closes. And I ended up selling all of my contracts all at once at 8:32, 2 minutes after the market opened, for a 700% gain, for a total price of $8,300. And I definitely dropped this thing, the rationale, in the Discord. Again, this was 3 minutes after I let everybody know that I was bearish on AMD, right? And it ended up being the top 2 stocks for the day. And again, right here, the price target that I had was 252 on Friday, that next day. So the structure was very clean. And let's go to ThinkorSwim. And let's change this thing to the 1 minute. That way you can see the exact candles. Again, we have the breakouts. We have my entry right above 338 right there. And then we have my exits, which is after the gap up. I think they released news about Elon's payment package surging above 1 trillion. Yeah, I see the news right here on the left. The stock liked it. And then out the gates, immediately out the gates, this thing just started to jump. And I patiently waited until it breached my price target of 352. And then this is exactly where I sold all of my contracts. All right. And let's see. This is how, let me share with you guys. This is how everybody else did in the Discord. So let's see. This is the 5th. This is how it started. First and foremost, somebody gambled on Tesla and made $400 in profit. And then this is me right here from both AMD and from Tesla. Somebody else ended up turning $272 into 2,000 with AMD puts and Tesla calls. All right, somebody else ended up making $214. Somebody made a few thousand. I think this is like 4,000 or 5,000. Yeah, 5,000 just from $1,000 on Tesla. And then they added more money. Again, this is from 300 into 900 or 850 on AMD puts. So those were like the top 2 stocks that I put out between Thursday and Friday. Somebody ended up almost tripling their account, making 1,569 on Friday. Yeah, and somebody revived their account again. This person actually turned, like if you look at the details, y'all can pause the video and see really what went on in here. But the summary of this person's trades was that he turned $1,000 into 9,000 again from both Tesla and AMD. The first time he did that was when he first joined in the Discord, and he turned $600 into 10K with Amazon from like May. All right, and he ended up doing it again. So shout out to him. And then somebody else ended up making, I think they took a Google call trade, which I didn't even consider Google, but hey, everybody have the right to choose their own plays, and they ended up making 12,000 or almost 13,000 on Google. So that's pretty much how everybody did. And that is the end of the video. If you got questions, don't forget, feel free to drop them in the comment section of the video. Do not be shy. I do see your comments. I will answer your questions, so drop them in the comment section. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, that way you don't miss out on future uploads. If you'd like to be part of a private Discord community and you would like to trade with me, you can find that as the first link in the description of the video below. Don't forget to follow me on social media at Paul and Guman and Patternology on Instagram and on X. Again, if I don't upload on YouTube, I'm on Instagram. I'm having a lot of fun over there. So definitely check out my Instagram. And lastly, to get some free stocks with Webull, you can use the 3rd link in the description of the video below. Once again, this is Patternology Lab, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you in the next video.